anyone knows anything about Rode mics, just get in touch. It's just not holding the connection. Already day 2. This whole last year's just flown by. It was COVID, isn't it? Everything sort of just merged into one big splodge. I was listening to the radio earlier and they were talking about Christmas movies. One of the guys on the station, he said that his favourite movie was Die Hard. Is that a Christmas film, Die Hard? Are you letting your kids watch that? Like Home Alone, I get that, it's a Christmas movie. Gremlins. Start spreading the news. The Wizard of Oz, It's a Wonderful Life, Scrooged. I get it, but a New York police detective slinging terrorists out of windows 25 floors up.
Signs of disturbance, dispatch. Welcome to the party, pal!
That's not a Christmas movie, is it? I don't know. I mean, I could be wrong. But what's the criteria? The guy on the station said, well, there was a Christmas tree in it. Is that the criteria? Because if that's the case, the Wizard of Oz, there's no snow in the Wizard of Oz, is there? I don't even know if it's set at Christmas time. Do they even have Christmas on Oz?
You cursed brat! Look what you've done! I'm melting! Melting!
Maybe not. It's a puzzler, and it's a bit worrying. Like, by my reckoning, that I watched it at Christmas, because The Wizard of Oz is always on at Christmas. It's a Christmas film, but then James Bond movies are always on at Christmas, aren't they? Are they Christmas films? They're not really, are they? I have to change it up. Let me know your favourite Christmas movie. Let me know your thoughts on the old Wizard of Oz Die Hard considerations I'm having. At the same time, you could subscribe to the channel if it's not too much trouble, and please like this video. It's a really big support, guys. I don't know what I think now. I'll have to change it up. The Snowman. That's it. That's my new favourite Christmas movie from this moment on. That's it. We're walking in the air and all that. Right, we need to get a picture, don't we? Anything you take a photograph of in good light, it's going to look great. Even words on a page. Is there a shot here?